Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Let's move to the next chapter. So we'll talk about the last part of for this chapter on the emergency response trainings. What is emergency response trainings? So for this part, we're going to understand the importance of emergency response in the workplace and how are we going to design and develop effective OSH awareness trainings on emergency response. Why is it important to have emergency response in the workplace? Let's discuss. So, the importance of emergency response in the workplace trainings is to provide a clear and well-defined course structure for the development of a course materials and assessment tools. We provide a clear roadmap for the course, ensure the course materials and assessments are aligned, and also provide a way to measure students' learning outcomes. It is important to have emergency response in the workplace. Yes, we understand that. But how can we convey those kind of informations and knowledge to our workers is through trainings. So why is it important for employees to be aware of emergency response procedures? This is include to protect their safety and well-being of the employees, minimize any impact of emergencies on the workplace surrounding the community, and we need to ensure the compliance with the relevant safety and health regulations and standards. These are the key points or key components of emergency response plan. We have the emergency response procedures, we have the structures and responsibilities, we have the communication and notification procedures, training and drills to ensure the preparedness, and we also review and improvement process. So emergency response procedures that discuss why is it important for us to have a clear emergency response. So explain how can we develop emergency response procedures. These include identifying potential emergencies and risks in the workplace, develop procedures for responding to any types of emergencies, and to ensure any emergency response procedures are easily accessible and well understood by among the employees. So, to evaluate and revising the course outline for this kind of structures and responsibilities, we need to gather data, we need to use the data to inform decision and make revision to improve course outline as needed. Communication and notification procedures. So we need to explain how to develop effective communication and notification by ensuring that all employees are aware on that procedures for reporting emergencies, provide clear and concise instructions, and provide appropriate equipment and system of communicating during emergency. Training and drills to ensure preparedness. Why is it important to implement effective training and drills? These include providing regular training to employees on emergency response procedures and their role in the ERT, conduct regular drills to test the effectiveness of emergency plan and identify any areas for the improvement, and last but not least, to evaluate the results of drills and making necessary improvements to the emergency response plan. Let's discuss why is it important to have a training and drills in emergency response plan. Have you encountered any emergency at your workplace? Let's share the story. Review and improvement process. Review and improvement process for any emergency response trainings include we regularly review the emergency response plan, evaluate the effectiveness of the plan, and if there is necessary improvements need to be made, and so you need to update from time to time and encourage employee to give feedback for any types of improvements. To summarize, the key components of effective emergency response plan, these include emergency response procedures, ERT structure and responsibility, communication and notification procedures, training and drills, review and improvement process. And of course, we talk about on how to design and develop effective OSH trainings on emergency response. With that, we end our class today. Thank you and see you soon.